Okay, you guys, so we're going to do part 2 of substitution. So the only thing that's going to change here is you're going to have a little bit more that you're going to actually be substituting in. Instead of just a number or just a number and a variable, we're going to have like a whole expression that we're going to have to put in there. So let's start us off by thinking about the ones we did last time, okay? Sorry. So I have x equals 10, right? And x equals 10 is going to go in for x. So 10 goes in. And we are going to have y equals negative 3 times 10 plus 4. Okay? So then we've got y equals negative 30 plus 4. So y equals negative 26. Now remember, every answer has to be written as an ordered pair. So x would be 10, y would be 26, because and I already gave you that x value, so it's up there ready to go, okay? Now let's move it up one notch. We have to be plugging in for a number and a variable. So y equals 2x. 2x goes in for y, and nothing else changes. So 2x equals negative 3x plus 10. All right. I have to add this over to make like terms come together. So this gives me 5x equals 10. Divide by 5 on both sides, and x equals 2. Okay, now that's the first half of my ordered pair, but I didn't give you the y, so now I have to plug this in again. So y equals 2 times x, which is now 2, so we have y equals 4. So my ordered pair is 2, 4. Okay, now let's step it up another notch. Now again, instead of just putting in a number or a variable, we're going to put in an entire expression. So I'm still looking for that x equals or y equals. This will be the top. So this whole thing over here is what's going to go in for y in the bottom. Again, nothing else about that equation changes. So I have x plus 2. Y comes out, and everything I circled goes in its place. So 3x plus 2 equals 11. And then we solve like normal. This is what our pre-substitution page looked like that we worked on the other day. So I have x plus 6x plus 4, because I'm distributing here, equals 11. These two come together, and I have 7x plus 4 equals 11. Subtract 4 on both sides. That's my two-step equation. And then I have divide by 7. So x equals 1. Okay, so there's the first part, 1, and then we have to go find our y. So this x is a 1. If I plug it in up here for x, I'm going to be able to get my y. So y equals 3 times x, which is 1, plus 2. So y equals 3 plus 2, which means y equals 5. So 1, 5 is what we have there. Okay. Good job. Next one. So again, x equals or y equals, that looks like the bottom is what we need. I'm going to circle my expression, and it says x equals, so it goes in for x. So 3, x comes out, and 2y minus 3 goes in its place, plus y equals 5. Distribute here, and we have 6y minus 9 plus y equals 5. Combine like terms, and we have 7y minus 9 equals 5. Oop. I don't know where that came from. Oh my gosh.